Standard 5 Math Chapter number 13 Ways to multiply and divide. NCERT textbook page number 180. Practice time. In this video we will learn the operation of division and also will learn that some word problems of division. Here A to F division sums are there. We have to solve this sum with our own step. Division sums already you learn in 4th standard, 3rd standard. So let's do here first sum. Divide 4228 by 4. So first we will write here A. Divide 4228 by 4. To divide this, we have to check that divisor and dividend. This is the divisor and this is the dividend. It is one digit number. So first we will check the first digit. One digit should be equal to or bigger than. So 4 is equal to 4. So yes, this number can divide by this. 4 का टेबल बोलना है till 4 तक. So 4 के टेबल में 4 कब आता है? 4 1s are 4. Then subtract 4 minus 4 0. Now we have next digit 2 that we will bring it down. First we'll take 2. Then we have to check जो ऊपर से नीचे लाते हैं that is bigger than or smaller than. So 2 is smaller than. जो digit बनती है वो divisor से smaller है या bigger है? It is smaller than. So we cannot divide 2. So again ये 2 नहीं divide कर सकते. For that 4 zeros are 0. So 4 zeros are 0 रखते हैं. Then yes we can divide. Let's do 4 zeros are 0. Then 2 minus 0 0. Again we can take down this 2 here. Bring it down. Now we have new digit 22. We have 22. So 22 can divide by 4. Yes, it is bigger than 4. 4 का टेबल बोलना है. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 and 4 6s are 24. So 24 we cannot write here because it is bigger than 22. So we can write 4 5s are 20. And then subtraction. 2 minus 0 2 and 2 minus 2 0, that we will not write. Now we have remained one last digit that also we will bring it down here 8. In 4's table, when 28 comes, yes, 4 7s are 28. And then do subtraction, we have remainder 0. So you can write here in short, quotient is 1057. Number B, divide 770 by 22. 770 को 22 से डिवाइड करना है. So let's write here first the dividend and the divisor. Divisor is 22. Do you know the table of 22? No. नहीं आता है. किसी को आता है किसी को नहीं आता है. No problem. More than 20, bigger than 22 tables are there. So you can make your own table. अपने आप टेबल बना सकते हो ना. Yes, it is very easy with the help of multiplication. Let's make here 22. So first 22 ones are 22. Multiply ही करना है. 22 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Then 22 3s are 66. 22 4s are 88. 22 5s are 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. Then 22 6s are 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12 and 1 13. 22 7s are 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 and 1 15. We'll write till here. Again we'll see. Now first 22. 2 digits are there. So first we will see the first 2 digit. 2 digits are bigger than or is equal to? Yes, it is bigger than 22. So this digit can divide by 22. Now we'll see here 77. So first 88 we cannot write here because it is bigger than, so this will not come. So उसके ऊपर कौन है? 66. So 22 3s are 66. 22 3s are 66. Then subtraction, 7 minus 6 1, 7 minus 6 1, then we'll bring it down 0. Now we have new digit 110. Now we have to divide this 110 by 22. 110, yes, we have 22 5s are 110. 22 5s are 110. Subtraction and then 0. What is the quotient? Quotient is 35. And any remainder? Remainder है तो यहाँ लिखना है. No remainder, so no need to write. So our quotient is 35. Next है divide C. Divide 9877 by 8. Divide 9872 by 8. Let's write here 9872 and by 8. Again it is one digit. Do you know the table of 8? Yes. First one digit, it is bigger than or smaller than? Bigger than. So 9 is bigger than 8. 8 का table बोलना है. 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. 16 is not possible, so 8 ones are 8. Then subtraction, 9 minus 8 1. Then we'll bring this 8 down. We have now new digit 18. So 8 के table में 18 तो नहीं आता, but 8 twos are 16 and 8 threes are 24. 24 is not possible, so उसके पहले तुरंत पहले है 8 twos are 16. Then subtraction, 8 minus 6 2 and 1 minus 1 0. Then we'll bring 7 down. We have 27. So we can once again recite the table of 8. In 8's table 27 is not there, but approximately we have 8 4s are 8 3s are 24 and 8 4s are 32. So 32 cannot write, but we can write 8 3s are 24. Then subtract here, 7 minus 4 3, 2 minus 2 0. Once again we'll bring down 2. We have new digit 32. So 8 के table में 32 आता है. Yes, if we recite the table of 8, 8 4s are 32 and 0 0. So what is our quotient? Our quotient is 1234. Now new digit, new question. Question number D. Divide 672 by 21. So we will write here 672 by 21. Now 21 is divisor, so we have to write the table of 21. Let's make the table. 21 ones are 21. 21 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 21 threes are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 21 fours are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 21 fives are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 21 six are 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. First we will write till here. Then let's check here. 21. So 2 digit we'll see here first. It is 67. It is bigger than 21. Now let's check here 67. 67 के आसपास कोई digit है? Yes, it is 63. And yes, we can write here because it is smaller than 67. So 21 threes are 63. 21 threes are 63. Then subtract 7 minus 3 4 and we'll bring down 2. We have 42. 21 के टेबल में 42 आता है. Yes. 21 twos are 42. 21 twos are 42. Subtraction and remainder 0. So our quotient is 32 and remainder is 0. Next we have E. Divide 772 by 7. Divide 772 by 7. Let's write here 772 by 7. First it is one digit, so here also we'll check one digit. Yes, it is equal to, so we can divide. Very easy. 7 ones are 7. Subtraction, 7 minus 7 0. Then we'll bring down 7 again, and yes, 7 ones are 7. Then 2 remain. अब what to do? ऊपर से 2 नीचे लाए. We have the new digit only 2. So 2 is bigger than or smaller than 7? It is smaller than 7. So this is not possible. ऊपर से नीचे लाए, पॉसिबल नहीं है. For that we'll put here 0. क्यों 0 रखते हैं? Because 7 zeros are 0 and we have remainder 2. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 110 and remainder is equal to 2. Then we have F. Divide 639 by 13. 13 का टेबल आता है ना? Yes. 639 by 13. 2 digit. Inside we have checked 2 digit 63. It is bigger than this. So yes, this digit 63 can divide by 13. So 13. 13 fours are 52. And 13 fives are 65. So 65 is not possible. So we'll write here 13 fours are 52. And let's subtract here. We have remained 11 and we'll bring down 9. And yes, 13 we have 119. So 13 nines are 13 nines से क्या आता है? Do you know the table? Yes, 117. So again remainder 2. 0 0. Subtract किया and we have remainder बाकी बचे 2. So no need to write 0 up. But ऊपर से ही नीचे लाए 2 direct. ऊपर से direct 2 नीचे लाए. But it is not possible. Then we kept here 0. But ये तो subtraction किया. Subtraction किया और 2 बचे. So now we have remainder 2 and our quotient is 49. So write here quotient is 49 and remainder is 2. Next, page number 181. How much petrol? Isha has rupees 1000 with her. 1000 rupees है. She wants to buy petrol. 1 liter of petrol cost rupees 67. 1 liter की प्राइस है 67. She wants to buy from 1000 rupees. How many liters can she buy? Once again, 1 liter of petrol cost rupees 67. 67 rupees में 1 liter petrol लाता है. She has 1000 rupees. So from 1000 rupees, how many liters can she buy? So here it is written money with Isha rupees 1000 and cost of 1 liter is equal to 67. 1 liter की cost है 67. Liters of petrol she can buy. Directly division बता दिया है. लेकिन how to do? कैसे करना है? We'll write the step. Whatever given that we will write first and what we have to find out that we will write the next. Is equal to एक साइड में लेफ्ट साइड में जो दिया है वो लिखना है और is equal to की राइट साइड में जो सर्च करना है. So what is given here? We have amount and what we have to find out? Liter. How much liter? How many liter she can buy? So 1 liter of petrol cost 67. 1 liter की प्राइस 67 है. So रुपीस पहले दिए है that we will write first. Rupees 67 is equal to 1 liter. Therefore, how much she has? 1000 rupees is equal to how many? Once again, whatever given that we will write at left एंड इज इक्वल टू की राइट में जो सर्च करना है, व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, लीटर्स, हाउ मैनी लीटर्स, दैट वी विल राइट राइट साइड. देन विल डू रेसिप्रोकल, जो लेफ्ट साइड में है उसका ही रेसिप्रोकल करना है. देन 1000 विल गो अप and 67 will come down, is equal to Jacobi multiplication and 1. Now it is upside down side. What is the meaning of this? Division. That is why we are doing the division here. 1000 divide 1000 by 67 and we'll get the answer 14 liter. 14 liter of petrol she can buy. Next, Children's Day. Children are happy today. They are celebrating Children's Day. Each child will be given 4 colored pencil from school. Each child means 1. Each means 1. Per means 1. Each child यानी 1 student को 4 color pencil मिलने हैं. The school has got 969 pencils. स्कूल के पास 969 pencils है. To find out how many children can get pencils, to the children teachers ask them to divide. एक स्टूडेंट को 4 पेंसिल मिलनी है और स्कूल के पास, टीचर के पास कितनी पेंसिल है, 969. 969 पेंसिल इक्वली डिवाइड करनी है. इक्वली डिवाइड करनी है, एक को 2 दो, एक को 4 दो. दैट इज नॉट गुड, अनफेयर. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वेन एवर वी हैव टू डिवाइड इक्वली, दैट टाइम वी विल डू द डिविजन. सो डिवाइड 969 बाय 4. 4 डिवाइड करना है. So let's divide here. Divide 969 by 4. 1 digit. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. And 4 threes are 12 is not possible. So 4 twos are 8. Then 1 remain. We'll bring down 6. We have 16. So 4 fours are 16. 0. Then again we'll bring down 9. So 4 twos are 8 and 1 remain. So what we can say, 242. 242 pencil children get. 242 children get pencil and 1 pencil will remain. Next, practice time on page number 183. First, 576 books are to be packed in boxes. टोटल बुक्स 576 बॉक्स के अंदर पैक करनी है. इफ़ 1 बॉक्स हैज़ 24 बुक्स, एक के अंदर 24 बुक्स रखनी है. हाउ मेनी बॉक्सेस आर नीडेड, हाउ मेनी बॉक्सेस, कितने बॉक्सेस चाहिए. एक बॉक्स के अंदर 24 बुक रखनी है. टोटल बुक्स वी हैव 576. हाउ मेनी बॉक्सेस, वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस. सो लेट्स राइट हियर. फर्स्ट, we have total 576 books and what they have given, 24 books in 1 box. We have to find out the number of box. So जो search करना है वो पीछे लिखने हैं and whatever given that we will write first. So let's write, if 24 books is equal to 1 box. जो दिया है that we will write first. Whatever given that we will write first. 24 books is equal to 1 box. Therefore, we have 576 books is equal to how many boxes? Whatever we have to find that we will write at last. Then we'll do the reciprocal. जो left side में है that only we'll do the reciprocal. 576 will go up, 24 will go down, multiply by 1. Upside down. So for that we'll do the division. So let's do division here. 576 by 24. Now 24, do you know the table of 24? 24 का table आता है? If no, then no problem. We can make the table of 24. So first, 24 ones are 24. 24 twos are 4 twos are 8, 2 twos are 4. 24 threes are 4 threes are 12, 3 twos are 6 and 1 7. 24 fours are 4 fours are 16, 4 twos are 8 and 1 9. 24 5s are 4 5s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 11 and 12. 24 6s are 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12, 13 and 14. First we will write till here. Now we'll see the 2 digit 57. 57 के आसपास कौन सा डिजिट है? 72 48. But 72 we cannot write, so we'll go with the 48. 24 2s are 48. So quotient 22 and 48 will write downside. Subtraction 7 minus 8 not possible. Simple है. 17 minus 8 9, and here 4 minus 4 0. Then 6 will bring down. We have new digit 96. Divide 96 by 24. अब 96 को divide करना है. Let's check. Yes. 24 4s are 96. 24 4s are 96. Remainder 0. So what is the answer? We need 24 boxes. You can write the answer. How many boxes we need? That we need 24 boxes to pack 576 books. Next, 836 people are watching a movie in a hall. Total people 836. If the hall has 44 rows, how many people can sit in one row? एक का सर्च करना है. Means row and column, you all are very familiar with the row. Then row line. Total people 836 and एक row में if the hall has 44 row. टोटल रो कितनी है? 44 लाइन में बिठाने हैं इतने पीपल को. हाउ मेनी पीपल कैन सीट इन वन रो? एक लाइन में कितने पीपल आएंगे? एक लाइन में कितने पर्सन आएंगे? इन डिवीज़न वंस अगेन पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन का एक की वैल्यू दी है, ज़्यादा की सर्च करनी है. दैट टाइम वी आर डूइंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन, बट more value is given and we have to find for one thing, for each, for per. That time we'll do the division. 44 rows are given, we have to find for one row. एक रो में कितने बैठेंगे? For that we have to do the division. So let's do division here. Divide 836. Divide 836 by 44. In 44 is equal to 1 row, therefore 836 is equal to how many? 44, we don't know the table of 44, no problem. You can make the table with the help of multiplication. 44 2s are 130. 44 2s are 88. 44 3s are 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 and 1 13. 44 4s are 4 4s are 16. 16 and 1 17. 44 5s are 4 5s are 20. 20 and 2 22. Then 44 6 are 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 2 25 and 26. Then 44 8s are 44 7s are 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2 29 and 30. 44 8s are 8 4s are 32 and 32 plus 3 33 34 and 35. 44 9s are 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 3 37 38 and 39. Now 83, first check 83. Approximately 83. It is 88. 88 is not possible, so simple we will go with the 44 1s are 44. Then subtraction 3 minus 4, it is not possible, so 13 minus 4 9. And here 7 minus 4 3. We have 39 and we'll bring down 6. We have new digit 396. Let's check the table. 396. Yes, 44 9s are 396. 396. Subtraction. Quotient is 0. So 19. What is the answer? In one row, in each row, 19 people will sit. In one row, 19 people will sit. Number next. 3 number. A gardener bought 458 apple trees. He wants to plant 15 trees in each row. He bought 458 apple tree and each row. एक रो में 15 trees करने हैं. How many rows can he plant? Equally distribute करने हैं 458 plants को. He has this many of apple trees and एक के अंदर 15 है. He wants to equally divide equally distribute करने हैं इस प्लांट एप्पल ट्री को कि हर एक रो में मीन्स 15 आने चाहिए. बट कितनी रोज होगी? इक्वली डिवाइड करने हैं. सो दैट इज वाई वी हैव टू डू द डिवीजन. सो लेट्स राइट हियर 458 by 15. 2 digit because it is 2 digit divisor. 45 15 के टेबल में आता है. Yes, 15 3s are 45. Subtract. Then we'll bring down 8. ऊपर से 8 नीचे लाए हैं. Now we have the digit 8. 8 is smaller than 15. Division is not possible. So 15 zeros are 0 and remainder is 8. Subtraction करो and remainder रहता है. Then no need to write 0. But ऊपर से जैसे नीचे लाओ and if it is smaller than this divisor then we have to put the 0. So how many rows he can plant? 30 rows and 8 apple tree will remain. 30 total 30 row होगी will remain. Next, brain teaser. Shamli bought a battery. She read on it live 2000 hours. 2000 hours यानी कि वो 2000 hours तक बैटरी चलती है. Are you using the smartphone, Android phone? Are you using the power bank? Yes, some are using, some are not using, no problem. तो power bank उसके ऊपर भी लिखते होगे. You have to check that. 2000 hour. Shamli bought a battery और उसकी लाइफ है वो 2000 hours तक चलती है. She uses it throughout the day and the night. Throughout the day and night. So total कितना hours हुए? Day and night होके 24 hours. How many days will the battery run? कितने days तक बैटरी चलेंगी? दिन और रात. So total hours 2000 hours. So what we will do? Divide 2000 by 24. Now how to write? So we'll write here 24 hour is equal to 1 day. Therefore, here they gave 2000 hour is equal to how many days? We have to find out the days. 24 hours एक day में. So 2000 hours we have to find for 2000 hour. So let's reciprocal 2000 by 24 multiply by 1. So 2000 को 24 से divide करो will get 83. So battery will run 83 days. Next, move with multiplication and division. A tank is full of 300 liter of water. How much water will be filled in 25 tank? Simple है. एक tank. A tank is full of 300 liter of water. एक tank कितने water के? 300 liter water है. How much water will be filled in 25 tanks? एक के अंदर 300 liter है तो 25 के अंदर कितनी? What we will do? We will multiply. ज़्यादा सर्च करना है. Now, if 15 buckets can be filled with 1 tank of water. एक टैंक के अंदर कितनी buckets जाती है? 15 buckets. How many buckets in all can be filled with the water in 25 tanks? एक टैंक के अंदर 15 buckets. So 15 buckets is equal to 1 tank. So 25 tanks के अंदर कितनी buckets डालनी है? So what we have to do, multiplication or division? Let's think again. Here one tank 300 liter. So 25 tanks is equal to how many? Multiplication. Again one tank here, one tank 15 buckets. So 25 tanks, how many buckets? What we will do? Multiplication. So here we have to do the 2 multiplication. Here one tank is equal to 300 liter. Therefore 25 tanks is equal to how many? We have to find out total liters. Tanks given. So we'll did here at reciprocal 25 up 1 down is equal to की जगह पे multiplication and 300 as it is. Both came in one line, so we will do the multiplication. 25 multiplied by 300. So simple, 25 3s are, it is 75 and we'll add 20. So 7500 liter in 25 tanks. नेक्स्ट है वन टैंक इज फुल विथ 15 बकेट्स. एक टैंक के अंदर 15 बकेट्स जाती है. सो 25 टैंक्स में कितनी बकेट्स? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ बकेट्स. सो अगेन 25 विल गो अप, 1 विल डाउन इज इक्वल टू की जगह मल्टीप्लीकेशन 15 एज इट इज. बोथ केम इन वन लाइन. एक की वैल्यू दी है, ज़्यादा की सर्च करनी है. मल्टीप्लीकेशन 25 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 15. सो विल गेट द आंसर 375 buckets. Next, there are 28 laddus in 1 kg. In 1 kg, 28 laddus. How many laddus will be there in 12 kg? It is given 1 kg 28. In 1 kg, 28 laddus. So, how many laddus will be there in 12 kg? 1 kg 28, 12 kg how many? What we have to do? Multiplication. 1 में 28 है तो 12 में कितने? Then if 16 laddus can be packed in one box. एक बॉक्स के अंदर 16 लड्डू है. How many boxes are needed to pack all these laddus? जो आंसर आएंगे लड्डू उसको क्या करना है? बॉक्स में पैक करने हैं. सो लेट्स डू द सम. हियर वी विल राइट 1 kg is equal to how many? 1 kg has 28 laddus. We have to find for 12 kg. So we'll write here already 1 kg is equal to 28 laddus. Therefore 28 kg is equal to how many? Sorry, 12 kg. So what we will do? Reciprocal 12 up 1 down. ये दोनों का रेसिप्रोकल करना है. ये ऊपर जाएगा, ये नीचे आएगा. Is equal to जगह पे multiplication and 28. Both came in one line. So what we will do? Multiplication. एक की वैल्यू दी है, 12 की सर्च करनी है. 1 kg में 28 लड्डूस है. 12 kg में कितने? So multiplication करेंगे and 28 multiply by 12, 336 laddus. 336 laddus. Now we have total number of laddus 36. We found the total laddus, number of laddus. Now next what they ask? 16 laddus is equal to 1 box. यानी 1 box के अंदर 16 ही आने चाहिए. We have total 336 laddus is equal to how many boxes? Now what to do? Here we have to do the division. Why? Because we have to divide equally. This 336 को equally divide करने हैं 16 में. यहाँ सिंपली दिया थे 1 kg में 28 है तो 12 kg में कितने? Simply we have to find out the two numbers. But here they have given 16 लड्डू ही चाहिए एक में. In one box 16 laddu. So we have to find for 336 laddus. So let's do the reciprocal. 336 will go up and 16 will down. Multiply by 1. ऊपर and नीचे है. For that we'll do the division. Here both are in one line. So we did the multiplication. Here we have to do the division. So divide 336 by 16. We will get 21. So we need 21 boxes to pack 336 laddus. There are 26 rooms in a school. Each room has 4 plants. 26 rooms each यानी एक रूम के अंदर 4 प्लांट है. If each plant needs 2 cups of water, 4 plants है, total 4 plants. एक रूम के अंदर 4 plants है. If each plant needs 2 cup of water, how much water do we need for all the plants? So first what we have to find out? First we have to find out the total number of plants. Total number of plants. How? Because we have total 26 rooms. One room has 4 plants. So 26 room has how many plants? First we have to find out that thing. Other thing we have to find here for only the cups. How much water do we need for all the plants? We have to find out only for the water do we need for all the plants. So first one room, each room has 4 plants and each plant need 2 cups. एक प्लांट को 2 कप्स चाहिए तो 4 प्लांट्स को कितने? 4 2s are 8. So एक रूम के अंदर कितने कप्स? 8 cups water. So let's write here first. We'll write here first. This is the number 3. And we'll write here 1 plant is equal to 2 cup. So 4 plants is equal to 4 into 2, 8 cups of water. 1 plant को 2 cup पानी चाहिए. So 4 plant है एक रूम के अंदर. So 4 cups, 8 cups water. So 8 cup कहाँ चाहिए? एक रूम के अंदर. 1 room needs 8 cups of water. We have total how many rooms? 26 rooms. So we can write here 1 room is equal to 8 cup. Therefore we have total 26 rooms is equal to how many? Simply we will do here multiplication. 26 multiplied by 8 and we'll get answer 208 cups of water. 8 6 are 48. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20. So 208 cups of water. Next, page number 184. Make the best story problem. Each line give a story. You have to choose the question which makes the best story problem. The first one is already marked. One number, a shopkeeper has 50 boxes. There are 48 fruits in one box. Only this line is given. A shopkeeper has 50 boxes and there are 48 fruits in one box. We have to find out the question. We have to make the question. One is given for you. A. How much will he shopkeeper pay in all? ये क्वेश्चन फिट होता है उसके ऊपर. How many fruits are there in all? There are 48 fruits in one box. So we have 50 boxes. How many fruits are there in 50 boxes? So yes, this question can fit. But these two questions cannot fix. Why? Because A is not good choice because number of children for each one is already, number of fruits is given. And how many more boxes will he need it? This also cannot fix because total number of boxes is already given. So right answer is B. How many fruits are there in all? Number 2. 352 children from a school went on camping trip. Each tent had a group of 4 children. So which one is the correct option? Let's read A. How many children did each tent have? This can fix. A is not a good choice because number of children for each tent is already given. Each tent had 4. So it will not come. How many tents do they need? Each tent 4 children. Total 352 children. So yes, this can work. So B is the right choice. C is how many children in all are there in the school. It is already given 352 children. So this is also not match. Right answer is B. Number 3. A shopkeeper has 204 mangoes. He put them in boxes. Each box has 12 mangoes. 204 mangoes. Each box has 12 mangoes. Here, which one is right? How many more mangoes will he need? More की बात ही नहीं की है. Because it will not come because total number of mangoes is already given. Number B, how many dozen mangoes does he sell? बेचने की तो बात ही नहीं की है. It is not good because there is no data on number of fresh or बिगड़े हुए mangoes. So it will not come. How many boxes does he need? Yes. He put them in box. Each box 52 mangoes. So 204 mangoes. How many boxes? So C is the right answer. 4 number, the cost of one book is rupees 47. Sonu buys 23 books. एक की प्राइस दी है. सोनू buys 23 books. How much money does she have? उसके पास कितने मनी है? That we cannot find out. How much money does she pay for the books? Yes, this is right. वो 23 बुक्स बाय करती है. सो हाउ मच शी विल पे? दिस इज राइट. एंड व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 47 बुक्स? यहाँ 23 बॉक्स की प्राइस पूछी है. सो दिस ऑल्सो विल नॉट कम. राइट चॉइस इज बी. प्रैक्टिस टाइम. Do the divisions and check your results by multiplication. Result, how to check our result? Our division is right or wrong, that we have to check. First, divide 438 by 9. So let's do here. Divide 438 by 9. So first we'll check first digit. 4 is smaller than 9. So instead of 1 digit, we have to take 2 digits. 43. 9. Now 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 45 is not possible. So we'll take 9 4s are 36. Subtraction 3 minus 6 is not possible. Here 13 and here 3. 13 minus 6, that is 7. Then we'll bring down 8. We have 78. Now 9's table. 9 8s are 72. That we knows. And 9 10s are that we cannot write. So 9 8s are 72. And subtraction 8 minus 2 6 and 0. Our quotient is 48 and remainder is 6. Now how to check that our answer is right or wrong? For that we have to multiply these two digits. Dividend and divisor. Quotient and divisor. These two digits we have to multiply. जो आंसर आया है उसको डिवाइजर से मल्टीप्लाई करो. 48 multiply by 9. 9 8s are 72. And 9 4s are 36. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 and 43. 432. You are telling here 438. But yes, we have remainder. So remainder को क्या करना है? We have to add this remainder. Then our right answer is 438. So our answer is right or wrong? Yes, we got this. So our answer is right. So to check the answer, what we have to do? जो division करके जो answer जो question मिला है, that and this two, you have to multiply this two digit. If you have remainder, then add this remainder and check out that your answer is right or wrong. Let's check another. Divide 900 by 10. Two digit we have 10. So 90, yes, we can divide 90 by 10. So it is very easy. 10 9s are 90. 0 0. From up, we'll bring down this 0 here. So 10 zeros are 0. 90. Our answer is right or wrong? To check out, what we'll do? We'll multiply these two. 90 multiply by 10. 90 multiply by 10. 9 ones are 9 and we'll add 2 0. Yes, our answer is right. So by this method, by multiplying this quotient and divisor, you can check out your answer.